The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi students, welcome back to Accountancy class. I hope all are doing well. Okay, see, in the previous class we discussed guarantee of profit to a partner. I think all are clear. Okay, today we are going to discuss the topic past adjustment. Past adjustment. What is it, past adjustment? See, after closing the account of partnership firm, certain items that has been omitted by mistake or have been wrongly treated would be detected. What is it? After closing the accounts of partnership firm, certain items that has been omitted by mistake or have been wrongly treated would be detected. അതായത് പാർട്ട്ണർഷിപ്പ് ഫേമിൻ്റെ അക്കൗണ്ട്സ് നമ്മൾ ക്ലോസ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാലും ചിലപ്പോൾ ചില ഐറ്റംസ് നമ്മൾ അതിനകത്ത് എടുക്കാൻ വിട്ടുപോയിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. ചിലപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് അറിയാതെ നമ്മൾ വിട്ടുപോയിട്ടുണ്ടാവും, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ തെറ്റായ രീതിയിൽ ചിലപ്പോൾ എടുത്തു പോയിട്ടൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടാവും. So, such errors and omission usually occur items like interest on capital, interest on drawings, salary, commission, etc. അത്തരത്തിൽ നമ്മൾ ഒരു പക്ഷേ എടുക്കാൻ വിട്ടുപോകുന്ന അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മിസ്റ്റേക്ക് വരാൻ ചാൻസ് ഉള്ള ഐറ്റംസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് ഓൺ ഡ്രോയിങ്സ്, ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് ഓൺ ക്യാപിറ്റൽ, സാലറി, കമ്മീഷൻ ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ള സംഭവങ്ങളായിരിക്കും ഒരു പക്ഷേ നമ്മൾ എടുക്കാൻ വിട്ടുപോയിട്ടുണ്ടാവുക. അത് നമ്മൾ പിന്നീട് നമ്മളത് മനസ്സിലാക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ സോ ദിസ് വിൽ ലീഡ് ടു ഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂഷൻ ഓഫ് ഇൻകറക്റ്റ് എമൗണ്ട് ഓഫ് പ്രോഫിറ്റ് എമംഗ് ദ പാർട്ട്നേഴ്സ്. അതായത് ഇത് നമ്മൾ എടുക്കാതെ നമ്മൾ അഥവാ ഇനി പ്രോഫിറ്റ് ആൻഡ് ലോസ് അപ്രോപ്രിയേഷൻ അക്കൗണ്ടൊക്കെ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എന്ത് സംഭവിക്കും? തെറ്റായ രീതിയിലുള്ള പ്രോഫിറ്റ് ആയിരിക്കും പാർട്ട്നേഴ്സിന് എന്ത് ചെയ്യേണ്ടതായിട്ട് വരിക, ഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ടതായിട്ട് വരിക. കാരണം എന്താണെന്ന് ചോദിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഈ ചില ഐറ്റംസ് നമ്മൾ എടുക്കാൻ വിട്ടുപോയിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. ആ വിട്ടുപോയ ഐറ്റംസ് എടുക്കാതെ നമ്മൾ ഈ അക്കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ റോങ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള പ്രോഫിറ്റ് ആയിരിക്കും നമ്മൾ പാർട്ട്നേഴ്സിന് ഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ടതായിട്ട് വരുന്നത്. സോ hence, to rectify such mistake, necessary adjustments are made in the partner's capital account or current account. So, for this purpose, an account is called profit and loss adjustment account is prepared. അതായത് അപ്പം നമ്മളിങ്ങനെ വിട്ടുപോയിട്ടുണ്ടെന്ന് കരുതുക. വിട്ടുപോയ ഐറ്റംസ് നമുക്ക് വീണ്ടും ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തണമെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ അത് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തണമെങ്കിൽ നമുക്കൊരു ഒറ്റ വഴിയേ ഉള്ളൂ. അതിനകത്ത് പാർട്ട്നേഴ്സിൻ്റെ ക്യാപിറ്റൽ അക്കൗണ്ടിലോ കറണ്ട് അക്കൗണ്ടിലോ നെസസറി ആയിട്ടുള്ള അഡ്ജസ്റ്റ്മെൻറ്റ്സ് ചെയ്താൽ നമുക്ക് അത് റെക്ടിഫൈ ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് പറ്റും. For this purpose, an account called profit and loss adjustment is prepared. അതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ഏത് അക്കൗണ്ട് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യും? പ്രോഫിറ്റ് ആൻഡ് ലോസ് അഡ്ജസ്റ്റ്മെൻറ്റ് അക്കൗണ്ട് ആണ് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ഐ തിങ്ക് ഓൾ ആർ ക്ലിയർ. Then the following steps are taken for this account. See, the first step, what is it? If interest on capital is omitted. So first we want to ascertain the opening capital. So that means in such certain situation we know that interest on capital is always calculated on the basis of opening capital. On the basis of opening capital. In certain situation opening capital is not given. So in such a situation we want to calculate opening capital. So for that, the first one, capital at the end. Then add drawings. Then less profit. So after that we will get the opening capital. So the first step, what is it? If interest on capital is omitted, first ascertain what? Opening capital. What is it? If interest on capital is omitted, first ascertain opening capital. What is the reason for calculating this opening capital? Because we know that interest on capital is always calculated on the basis of opening capital. So how to calculate opening capital? Opening capital may be calculated on the basis of this, that is capital at the end, add drawings, then less profit, and after that we'll get opening capital. So and then after that we can calculate interest on capital. Okay, and then second step, omitted items such as interest on capital, salary, commission, etc. are calculated and credited to partners capital account. So the journal entry will be profit and loss adjustment account to partners capital account. രണ്ടാമത്തെ സ്റ്റെപ്പ് എന്താ പറയുന്നത്? നമ്മൾ വിട്ടുപോയിട്ടുള്ള ഐറ്റം, അതായത് ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് ഓൺ ക്യാപിറ്റലോ സാലറിയോ കമ്മീഷനോ അങ്ങനെയുള്ളതൊക്കെ വിട്ടുപോയിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് നമ്മൾ കണ്ടെത്തി അത് കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് പാർട്ട്നേഴ്സിൻ്റെ ക്യാപിറ്റൽ അക്കൗണ്ടിൽ അത് എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ക്രെഡിറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. സോ അപ്പോൾ ജേണൽ എൻട്രി എന്താണ്? പ്രോഫിറ്റ് ആൻഡ് ലോസ് അഡ്ജസ്റ്റ്മെൻറ്റ് അക്കൗണ്ട് to partners capital account. Okay, and then മൂന്നാമത്തെ third one എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്, third one, interest on drawings which is omitted is now debited to partners capital account. The journal entry will be partners capital account debtor to profit and loss adjustment account. മൂന്നാമതായിട്ട് ചിലപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് ഓൺ ഡ്രോയിങ്സ് ആയിരിക്കും വിട്ടുപോയിട്ടുണ്ടാവുക. അങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് ഓൺ ഡ്രോയിങ്സ് വിട്ടുപോയ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് ഓൺ ഡ്രോയിങ്സ് കണ്ടെത്തിയിട്ട് നമ്മൾക്കത് പാർട്ട്നേഴ്സിൻ്റെ ക്യാപിറ്റൽ അക്കൗണ്ടിൽ ഡെബിറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. സോ ദ ജേണൽ എൻട്രി പാർട്ട്നേഴ്സ് ക്യാപിറ്റൽ അക്കൗണ്ട് ഡെബ്റ്റ് to profit and loss adjustment account. Okay, then fourth step, that is finally close the profit and loss adjustment account. After that we want to close the profit and loss adjustment account. So in profit and loss adjustment account, sometimes profit and loss adjustment account shows credit balance, it indicate what? The profit. The journal entry will be profit and loss adjustment account debtor to partners capital account. And then if it is shows, that is profit and loss adjustment account shows debit balance, it indicate loss. The journal entry partners capital account debtor to profit and loss adjustment account, to profit and loss adjustment account. Okay, I think all are clear. So on the basis of this we can discuss the first problem. I will read the question, listen carefully. Aravind and Binoy are partners in a firm sharing profit and loss equally. Their capital account shows on 31st December 2003 show balance of rupees 62,000 and rupees 54,000 respectively. After taking into account the profit of the year 2003 and dealings with the drawings, profit rupees 20,000 and drawings were Aravind rupees 8,000 and Binoy rupees 6,000. Subsequently, the following omissions were noticed. After preparing the final accounts for the year 2003, The first one, the partners were entitled to interest on capital at 6% per annum. Second one, interest on drawings was to be charged at 6% per annum. The interest must be charged for 6 months period. Third one, Aravind was entitled a commission of rupees 5,000 and Binoy a salary of rupees 3,000 for the year. It was decided to make necessary adjustment to record the above omissions, pass journal entry, prepare profit and loss adjustment account and partners capital account. Okay, actually this is the question. So listen. Here there are two partners, that is Aravind and Binoy, and their capital balance, that is capital balance 31st December 2003, that is their closing capital. How much? That is 62,000 and 54,000. And after taking into account the profit of the year 2003 and dealing with the drawings profit rupees 20,000, that is here the profit of the firm, how much rupees? That is 20,000. And drawings were Aravind 8,000 and Binoy 6,000. That is the drawings of Aravind and Binoy. Okay, and after subsequently the following omissions were noticed. പിന്നീടാണ് ചില കാര്യങ്ങൾ വിട്ടുപോയി. After preparing the final account for the year 2003, ഫൈനൽ അക്കൗണ്ട് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്തതിന് ശേഷമാണ് മനസ്സിലായത് കുറച്ച് ഐറ്റംസ് വിട്ടുപോയിരിക്കുന്നു. ആ വിട്ടുപോയ ഐറ്റംസ് ഏതൊക്കെയാണ്? സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് വിട്ടുപോയിട്ടുള്ള ഐറ്റംസ് ഏതൊക്കെയാണ്? ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ, പാർട്ട്നേഴ്സ് വെർ എൻറ്റൈറ്റിൽഡ് ടു ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് ഓൺ ക്യാപിറ്റൽ അറ്റ് 6% per annum. ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് ഓൺ ക്യാപിറ്റൽ 6% കൊടുക്കേണ്ടത് എടുക്കാൻ വിട്ടുപോയി. അതുപോലെ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് ഓൺ ഡ്രോയിങ്സ് വാസ് ടു ബി ചാർജ്ഡ് അറ്റ് 6% per annum. ദ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് മസ്റ്റ് ബി ചാർജ്ഡ് ഫോർ 6 months period. ഡ്രോയിങ്സിനുള്ള ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് എടുക്കാൻ വിട്ടുപോയി, അതും 6% റേറ്റിൽ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് കൊടുക്കേണ്ടത് വിട്ടുപോയി. അത് എത്ര മാസത്തേക്ക് ചാർജ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടതാണ്? ശരിക്കും 6 monthsലേക്കാണ്, അതും എടുക്കാൻ വിട്ടുപോയി. പിന്നെ അരവിന്ദ്, ദ നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ, അരവിന്ദ് വാസ് എൻറ്റൈറ്റിൽഡ് കമ്മീഷൻ ഓഫ് rupees 5,000 ആൻഡ് ബിനോയ് സാലറി ഓഫ് 3,000 ഫോർ ദി ഇയർ. അതുപോലെ അരവിന്ദിന് 5,000 rupees കമ്മീഷൻ കൊടുക്കുന്നതും ബിനോയ്ക്ക് 3,000 rupees സാലറി കൊടുക്കുന്നതും എടുക്കുന്നത് എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? വിട്ടുപോയി. സോ അങ്ങനെയെങ്കിൽ ഇറ്റ് വാസ് ഡിസൈഡഡ് ടു മേക്ക് നെസസറി അഡ്ജസ്റ്റ്മെന്റ് ടു റെക്കോർഡ് ദി എബോവ് ഒമിഷൻസ്. ഈ വിട്ടുപോയിട്ടുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങൾ റെക്കോർഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ ആവശ്യമായിട്ടുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങളോട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറയേണ്ടത്, അതാണ് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. സോ പാസ് ജേർണൽ എൻട്രി, പ്രിപ്പയർ പ്രോഫിറ്റ് ആൻഡ് ലോസ് അഡ്ജസ്റ്റ്മെന്റ് അക്കൗണ്ട് ആൻഡ് പാർട്ട്നേഴ്സ് ക്യാപിറ്റൽ അക്കൗണ്ട്. See, listen, the working note number 1, that is calculation of opening capital of Aravind and Binoy. What is the reason for calculating this opening capital? Opening capital is calculated because here we know that interest on capital is always calculated on the basis of opening capital. In this question they are not opening capital is not given, but closing capital is given. So that is why we want to calculate opening capital. So that means here capital at the end, how much? That is capital at the end, how much rupees? That is Aravind 62,000, Binoy how much? That is 54,000. Okay, and then here drawings also given. So drawings of Aravind how much? That is 8,000 and Binoy how much? That is 6,000. So we know that drawings we want to add. So add drawings. How much rupees Aravind? That is 8,000 and Binoy how much rupees? That is 6,000. Okay, so after that we can add this item. So 62,000 plus 8,000, that is 70,000, and here 54,000 plus 6,000, that is 60,000. And also in this question their profit also given. That is, we know that here the profit how much rupees? That is profit rupees 20,000. So that rupees 20,000 profit is the entire profit of the firm. That profit sharing ratio is not given. We want to assume profit and loss must be shared equally. So here profit is the, so profit we want to deduct it. So less profit, that is Aravind how much rupees the profit here? That is 20,000 rupees the profit of the firm. So 20,000 into what is the ratio? Here ratio is not given, so 1:1. So I want to share profit and loss equally means 1:1. That is 1/2. 1/2 means what? That is 20,000 into 1/2. That means 10,000. So that is 10,000 rupees, 10,000 profit of Aravind. And Binoy, how much? That is Binoy also 20,000 into here also 1/2. So 1/2 means what? 20,000 into 1/2, that is 10,000. Here also 10,000. So we want to deduct this amount. 70,000 minus 10,000, how much? That is 60,000. 60,000. And then 60,000 minus 10,000, how much? That is 50,000. So 50,000. So we can write this is an opening capital, or capital at the opening capital, or capital at the beginning. Opening capital. How much rupees? That is 60,000 and 50,000. Okay, so I think all are clear. How much rupees the opening capital? 60,000 and 50,000. Okay, then so we want to calculate interest on capital. So interest on capital, that is interest on capital of Aravind, that is here opening capital, how much rupees? That is 60,000. Aravind 60,000 into interest rate, how much? That is 6%. So 6/100, that is how much rupees? That is 3,600. So 3,600. And then interest on capital of Binoy, how much? That is opening capital, how much? That is 50,000. So 50,000 into 6/100. 6/100. So how much rupees? That is 3,000. Okay, so this is an interest on capital of Aravind 3,600 and Binoy rupees 3,000. Okay, I think all are clear. That is interest on capital. Okay, and then next, what is the next adjustment? Interest on drawings was to be charged at 6% per annum. The interest must be charged for 6 months period. 6 months period. So we want to calculate interest on drawings. So the next working note number 2. What is it? Working note number 2. Working note number 2, that is calculation of interest on drawings. So here drawings amount, how much rupees? That is Aravind drawings, how much rupees? That is Aravind drawings, how? That is 8,000. That is the drawings amount. Aravind drawings amount 8,000 into how much percentage interest on drawings? That is 6%. So 6/100 into for how many months? That is for 6 months period. So 6/100 into 6/12. That is how much rupees? That is 240. How much rupees? 240. And then like that Binoy, interest on drawings of Binoy, actually the drawings amount of Binoy, how much? That is 6,000. So 6,000 into percentage 6%. So 6/100 into here also 6 months period. That is why 6/12. So the amount, how much rupees? That is 180. So 180 is the interest on drawings of Binoy and 240 is the interest on drawings of Aravind. Okay, I think all are clear. And then so the third adjustment, what is it? Aravind was entitled a commission of rupees 5,000 and Binoy's salary of rupees 3,000 for the year. It was decided to make necessary adjustment to record above omission. So the past journal entry, prepare profit and loss adjustment account and partners capital account. So next we want to prepare the journal entry. What is the first adjustment? What is it? The partners were entitled to interest on capital 6% per annum. That means interest on capital 6% per annum, that is omitted. If interest on capital is omitted, we want to record it. What is the journal entry? That is profit and loss adjustment account debtor, profit and loss adjustment account debtor, to Aravind Capital. Aravind Capital, how much? That is profit and loss of interest on capital, how much? That is 3,600. Then to Binoy Capital account, how much rupees? That is 3,000. So that is interest on capital. So total 3,600 plus 3,000, that is 6,600. So what is the narration being? What is the narration being? Amount of interest on capital, amount of interest on capital omitted to be recorded. That is the first journal entry related to interest on capital. Okay, then and next one, what is it? Interest on drawings also omitted. What is the journal entry? If we want to record the interest on drawings, what is the journal entry, rectifying entry? That is partners capital account debtor to profit and loss adjustment account. So here partners means Aravind capital account debtor, Aravind capital account debtor, how much rupees? That is interest on drawings, that is 240. And then Binoy capital account debtor, how much rupees? That is 180. To profit and loss adjustment account, that is how much rupees? That is 420. So what is the narration being? Interest on drawings, omitted to be recorded. Okay, so I think all are clear. What is the next one? That Aravind was entitled to a commission of rupees 5,000. The commission also omitted, so we want to record it. What is the journal entry? That is profit and loss adjustment account debtor, profit and loss adjustment account debtor to Aravind Capital. Here Aravind Capital, how much rupees? That is 5,000. Here also 5,000. So being what is the narration? Being commission omitted to be omitted to be recorded. Okay, that is commission. And then what is the next one? That is Binoy salary also omitted. So we want to record it. So what is the journal entry? Profit and loss adjustment account, debtor. Profit and loss adjustment account, debtor to Binoy Capital. Binoy Capital. How much rupees the salary of Binoy? That is 3,000. That is 3,000. Here also 3,000. So what is the narration? Being salary omitted to be recorded. Okay, so that is the salary of Binoy omitted, so that should be recorded. What is the journal entry? Profit and loss adjustment account debtor to Binoy Capital. That is for salary. Okay, so after that we want to leave the space for one entry. That is for the balance of profit and loss adjustment account. Okay, so listen, next we want to prepare the profit and loss adjustment account. So on the basis of this journal entry, we want to prepare the profit and loss adjustment account. What is the first journal entry? That is related to interest on capital. What is the journal entry? Profit and loss adjustment account debtor to Aravind Capital to Binoy Capital. So we want to take what? To Aravind Capital. So here we can post to Aravind Capital. How much rupees? That is 3,600. To Binoy Capital. How much rupees? That is 3,000. Okay, that is this entry for what? That is interest on capital. And the next, what is the next journal entry? That is related to interest on drawings. So what is the journal entry? Aravind Capital account debtor, Binoy Capital account debtor to profit and loss adjustment account. So that means we can write like this: by Aravind Capital, how much rupees? That is 240. By Binoy Capital, how much rupees? That is 180. That is for interest. By Aravind Capital 240, by Binoy Capital 180. That is for interest on drawings. And then what is the next journal entry? That is related to commission of Aravind. What is the journal entry? Profit and loss adjustment account debtor to Aravind Capital. So here to Aravind Capital. To Aravind Capital, how much rupees? That is 5,000. That is the amount for commission of Aravind. And the next, what is the next journal entry? Profit and loss adjustment account debtor to Binoy Capital. That is for profit and loss adjustment account debtor to Binoy Capital. That is for salary of Binoy. What is the journal entry? Profit and loss adjustment account debtor to Binoy Capital. So to Binoy Capital. So here to Binoy Capital, how much rupees? That is 3,000. How much rupees? That is 3,000. So okay, 3,000. And after that we want to close this profit and loss adjustment account. Here 3,600, 3,000 plus 5,000 plus 3,000, that is 14,600. Here it is how much rupees? That is 14,600. Here also 14,600. So here 240 plus 180, how much rupees? That is 420. So 14,600 is the highest amount. So we want to write both sides 14,600. Here also 14,600. 14,600 minus 420, that is rupees? That is 1 14,180. That is the balancing figure. So against that we can write share of loss. Share of loss. So that share of loss that should be shared equally. That is Aravind capital is equal to 14,180 into 1 by 2. That is 14,180 into 1 by 2. 180 into 1 by 2. That is 7090. 7090. That is how much rupees? That is 7090. And here Binoy capital how much rupees? That is 14,180 into 1 by 2. That is 7090. That is equally. So that is share of loss. Profit and loss adjustments shows the debit balance. That means here debit side is more. So debit side is more. That is why, that is if profit and loss adjustment account shows debit balance, it indicate what? It is loss. So what is the journal entry? Journal entry, so we can write the journal entry in that specified in that area. So we can write the journal entry. What is the journal entry? That is Aravind capital partners what is the journal entry? Partners capital account debtor to profit and loss adjustment account. So Aravind capital account debtor, Aravind capital account debtor, how much rupees? That is 7090. Then Binoy capital account debtor, Binoy capital account debtor, how much? That is 7090 to profit and loss adjustment account. To profit and loss adjustment account, that is 14,118. What is the narration? What is the narration being? What is the narration being? Share of loss. Being share of loss distributed to partners. Distributed to partners. What is the narration? Being share of loss distributed to partners. Okay, I think all are clear. Next we want to prepare the capital account of Aravind and Binoy. Capital account of Aravind and Binoy, that is particulars Aravind Binoy, particulars Aravind Binoy. Okay, see, listen the journal entry. What is the journal entry? The first journal entry, what is it? See, before that, here the capital balance is given, that is closing capital balance is given. So that closing capital we want to consider here, it is an opening capital. So we want to write opening capital always shows on the credit side of capital account. So but that is by balance brought on. How much rupees that opening capital? That is how much rupees? That is 62,000. Aravind 62,000 and Binoy how much rupees? That is 54,000. The next one related the journal entry of interest on capital. What is the journal entry? Profit and loss adjustment account debtor to Binoy capital to Aravind capital to Binoy capital. So here it is related to interest on capital. So here capital account, so we want to consider profit and loss adjustment account. So by profit and loss adjustment account, profit and loss adjustment account, profit and loss adjustment account, that is how much rupees? That is Aravind 3,600 and Binoy how much? That is 3,000. That is related to what? Interest on capital. That is interest on capital. Interest on capital. Okay. And then next, what is it? That is next one related to interest on drawings. What is the journal entry? Partners capital account debtor to profit and loss account, adjustment account. So to profit and loss adjustment account, to profit and loss adjustment account, how much rupees that is? 240 Aravind and 180 Binoy. That is for interest on drawings. Interest on drawings. Okay. And then next one related to that commission of Aravind. So what is the journal entry? That is profit and loss adjustment account debtor to Aravind. So by profit and loss adjustment account, that is commission of Aravind, how much? That is 5,000 rupees. That means here it is commission. And the next journal entry, it is related to salary of Binoy. What is the journal entry? Profit and loss adjustment account debtor to Binoy Capital. That is by profit and loss adjustment account. That is for Binoy, how much rupees? That is 3,000. That is related to what? Salary. And one more entry is there. That is for profit and loss adjustment account balancing figure, that is share of loss. What is the journal entry? Aravind capital account debtor, Binoy capital account debtor to profit and loss adjustment account. So to profit and loss adjustment account. How much rupees that is loss? We can write bracket share of loss, that is 7090 Aravind, and here also Binoy also 7090. So after that we can close the capital account. Here we can close it. So after that we want to close the capital account. Here Aravind debit side total 240 plus 7090, that is 7,330. So that is debit side, Aravind debit side, how much? That is 7,330. And then credit side total 62,000 plus 3,600 plus 5,000, how much rupees? That is 70,600. 70,600 is the credit balance. So which one is the highest amount? That is credit side. So 70,600, here it is 70,600, here also 70,600. So after that we want to deduct this amount 70,600 minus 7,330. How much rupees? 63,270. Okay. And like that Binoy total here 180 plus 7090. That is Binoy total, Binoy credit side debit side total, how much? That is 7090 plus 180. That is 7270, and then credit side total 54,000 plus 3,000 plus 3,000, how much rupees? That is credit side total, that is 60,000. So 60,000, which one is the highest amount? That is credit side is 60,000 is the highest amount. So 60,000, here 60,000, here also 60,000. Okay. And then 60,000 minus 7,270, how much rupees? That is 52,730. That is the balancing figure, 52,730. So that is, we can write to balance carried on. Here we can write by balance brought on. How much? That is here 63,270, here 52,730. Okay. It is the capital account of Aravind and Binoy. Okay, I think all are clear. Okay, next we want to prepare the analysis table. So for what? That is, this capital account does not reveal the net adjustment. So that can be arrived with the help of analysis table. So listen carefully. So now we can prepare analysis table. So in that here particulars Aravind and Binoy. So we can prepare analysis table with the help of capital account of partners. So amount credited in the capital account. In capital account, opening capital balance no need to consider, and after that next item, what is that? Interest on capital. So interest on capital plus, and the next item, what is it? Commission plus, next item, what is it? Salary. Okay, so that is in that first Aravind. Okay, interest on capital of Aravind, how much? That is 3,600 plus Aravind have the commission, how much rupees? That is 5,000. So salary only for whom? That is Binoy. So 3,600 plus 5,000, how much rupees? That is 8,600 Aravind column. And then Binoy, here Binoy, interest on capital, how much rupees? That is interest on capital of Binoy, how much? 3,000 plus commission is not there, but salary is for Binoy, how much rupees? That salary, that is 3,000. So that is Binoy 3,000 plus 3,000, how much rupees? That is 6,000. Binoy column 6,000. That is the credited amount in the capital account. Okay, and after that amount debited in the capital account. So amount debited in the capital account. So in that is, so interest on drawings plus share of loss. In that the first one Aravind, see Aravind interest on drawings, how much? That is 240 plus share of loss, how much? That is 7090. That is 240 plus 7090, how much? That is 7,330. And then Binoy, how much? That interest on drawings, that is 180 plus share of loss 7090, that is how much rupees? That is 7270. So that is the Binoy amount. So after that we can close it. After that, so that is 1270, and then Binoy credit side 6,000, debit side how much? That is 7,270. That is 7,270 minus 6,000, how much? That is 1270. So here both side 1270. Listen here. So we want to write the journal entry. So in that Aravind, which side is highest? That is credit side. And Binoy, which side? That is debit side. So the journal entry, we know that first we want to write debit and then credit. What is the journal entry? So here highest Aravind highest amount credit side, Binoy highest amount which side? That is debit side. So we can write Binoy capital account debtor, that is 1270, to Aravind Capital, that is 1270. That is the adjustment entry. I think all are clear. So that's all for today. If you have any doubt, please contact me.